Yeah, guys, we have plenty gifts. Hey, what's it? My blender don't get freedom. My Oscar. Now I have my I would say my dream blender. Like the blender, like I want good blender. Okay, I blender. You guys know we are talking about this blender that we have. We have to help this blender to blend. Now, yeah. Oh my God, this blender. You serve me right, okay? Now please, this blender is more than 6 years. You try now. Oh, what try? You try. He's tired. So yeah, we're gonna give it out, okay, for anybody that wants it. So yeah. So this would be good for a student that is not cooking so much, that is not cooking, blending a lot, okay? Because the blender, the blade she's gone. So let's start unboxing. Are you guys even seeing my face? Oh my! Hope you guys are seeing my face. Look at my. Oh my God! My knee. You have been doing wonders. Wonders. Pandayam, bam. Vegetable, bam. Tomatoes, bam. Shopping any vegetable, bam. Slicing and sliceable, bam. Yogurt and yogurty, bam. Everything you take it. I've not used it before, but I've seen a lot of videos. Okay, yeah, but I've seen good review. That'll convince me. Okay, so let's unbox. Unbox. So this video will be too long. Okay, bear with us. Oh, you guys want us to make it part 2? Yeah. So let this go. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make this video too, because we don't want it to be shopping, boy, we shopping. Sliceable. Say say body they sweet me. Blend those with pogi. Oh yeah now. Now. Unko ije. Hey. See my blade. Sliceable. Sharper. Where's your gata demo? You guys know your gata demo. I know. Here you go. This is your gata demo. Yeah, that's the full process. This is the one that will process everything. The one that will do your pandayam for you. Well, let's say this man is not that too big, but that's okay. It's good. It's just for a start. I hope this one will serve me more than the way this one served me, because this one will be serving me for over 6 years, guys. Okay? Although I have other blender that was supporting the plans. Let's celebrate! Hey, thank God we don't thank up today. Celebrate! Let's celebrate! Shares for those that love good things. Good things will meet you. Shares for more open present. Very soon, you open your cup. Hey! Gege! Very soon, you open your new house. Hey! Very soon, Pepper go the rest. You know that? So, cheers, guys. So I'm just gonna stop from here. We'll resume. Baby, hey, and then hey, how's that guy saying? Oh, don't forget, I beg. Hey, let me give you hey, give them my own song now. Very soon, just that will send me. Don will sign me very soon. Hey, my friend.